Hey friends, welcome back to another studio vlog. I am excited to jump right in this week and get started, so let's do it. So I just got an Amazon delivery. I ordered a built-in rechargeable lithium battery rotation auto face track thing. Basically, it is a stand that holds your phone or whatever, your camera, so that you can have hands-free shooting and it tracks your face. So I wouldn't maybe have to hold my phone like this and all the wobblies all the time, and it's so irritating. My arm gets tired. Yeah, I don't know. We're going to try it out, see what it's like. I got it off Amazon. If it's any good, I will link it so that you can check it out too. But yeah, let's take a look and see what we think. Okay, so it does work. Like if I come over here, it follows me a little far. Hello? Hi? Are we going over? Wait, hello? Okay, it kind of works. The problem I'm having is that it doesn't go wide. So I actually can't use it for my channel because it's not big enough for my phone to go sideways. So, I don't know. I guess I can't use it for this. I could use it for TikTok videos if I was into that sort of thing, but yeah, I don't know. Oh. Okay, wait. I might have figured it out. Hold on. I think I need to figure out, the only problem is it needs to be like up higher, you know? Like, it needs to be up higher because down here, nobody wants to see that. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out and see if it's worth it. It does work on a tripod as well. So maybe on a tripod, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a good fit for me. Okay, I went and got a haircut and I'm not 100% sure that I like it. It's a little shorter than I think I wanted, but it is what it is. There it is, hair. I don't know. Does it look okay? Anyway, I am in the studio. I've been working on Bookmarks. I'm also using that new video stand thingy that like tracks your movement so I can go anywhere. It's kind of cool. I don't know. Anyway, I've been working on Bookmarks. I'm working on making a few different varieties. I've been doing laminated bookmarks. I've been doing magnetic bookmarks. And I'm currently working on the packaging and trying to figure out exactly what I want to do for hanging them in the store. That's kind of the bigger challenge. So as I've been working on it, I've been thinking about doing like repositionable glue dots, sticking like a cardboard, not cardboard, but like a heavy cardstock sort of back to it where I could hang, like do my punch hang tag thing and then just hang it in the store. I also thought about kind of doing like a clamp at the top and then maybe sticking it with the glue dots. I'm not really sure. I want it to look nice, but also be eco-friendly and not expensive or time consuming. I know I'm asking for a lot. But yeah, I don't know. That's where I'm at right now, working on the bookmarks. We'll get back to it. Okay, so I've been trying a bunch of different things for these bookmarks. I think I've landed on this for the packaging. So I designed a thing in Canva, and I just put bookmark, water resistant, double-sided. I made it so I could fold it in half. I punched through both of them so they can hang on my peg or my slat wall thing inside the boutique. And then on the back, it has my label logo thingy and the price. I have to have them marked in the boutique with my logo, shop name, whatever, and the price so that they know what to ring it in at the register for me. So what I usually have been doing is like putting those little stickers on the back, but I figured this might save me some time. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? I used some removable glue dots to hold this on. And I think hopefully that will work. Can you guys hear that noise? I think there's a cricket in here. Ugh, so irritating. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Then they can hang on the peg. They're repositionable. And since this is laminated, the glue dots will easily come off this and they won't damage the bookmark at all. And then this makes it more eco-friendly. I don't have to use any plastic as far as like the packaging goes. And that way that can just be thrown away or composted or whatever. And yeah, I don't know. I think it'll work. Okay, so here it is on my slat wall in the studio. The lighting is awful. It's the middle of the night. This is what I was originally doing, which was just kind of plopping a bookmark thing on the back. But I think this looks much nicer. I don't know. It makes it look more intentional and like it actually has some product packaging and branding and whatever. I don't know. So I do like this better, I think. So I think I'm going to try to go ahead and stick with that and then crank out some bookmarks to put in my little boutique. We actually have a bunch of monarch caterpillars on our milkweed, which is amazing. There's that guy, and then there's some over here. There's one crawling on its way up there on the edge. Another one right here. Another big one over there. There are so many, and they are happy, even though the milkweed is a little bit sad. Kind of toppled over a bit, but they don't seem to mind. So yeah, looks like we should have some butterflies soon. Okay, I am in the studio. It is Friday. I am taking a break from making a million bookmarks. I have been going blip the blurb, making all the bookmarks. And yeah, I don't know. I'm taking a break from that so that I can work on a project for Ranger. I am doing a blog post for them. So every now and then they reach out and ask me to do a post for their project blog on their website. So I do that, and sorry about the thumping. My kid's room is directly above the studio. When is summer break gonna be over? Just kidding. But they are very noisy, and Coralie is trying to sleep, so. Anyway, yes, I'm about to work on this project for Ranger, and then I will be back making bookmarks because I have been busy making all the bookmarks. So I got a new process for making bookmarks, and this is an example of one of them. So this is a piece of patterned paper. I wanted to start with this, and then I'm going to be doing my own designs. I don't know if you can hear that beeping. It's my laundry. It's the longest washer done cycle sound ever. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I wanted to start with patterned paper because I just felt like it would be easier for me to at least like get started. Then I'm going to be doing my own designs. I've actually designed quite a few, and I'm going to be having those printed. Well, I mean, I'll probably print them here, but I'm going to print them and then laminate them here. And so I'll have my own designs, and I'll have some that are just patterned paper. So I'm starting with that. This is a patterned paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think this one's from Prima. But yeah, it's beautiful. So it's double-sided. And I don't know if you can tell, it is laminated, but I used a matte laminate. It's amazing. So for reference, let's see. This one I did with a gloss, so you can kind of see the shininess there. And this one is the matte, and there is no shininess, but it's very sturdy. It's really nice. I like it a lot. The only thing I'm worried about is that some of them, see this here, the laminate starts to peel if, because I laminated them and then I cut them so that there's not a border around the outside. But if you mess with it, it can start separating. Now, if I send it through the laminator again, it readheres and it doesn't have that problem anymore. But I'm worried quality wise, I don't want to like have a bad product. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to figure out if this is what I want to do, or if I want to go with like a matte vinyl that sticks to it, because that's less likely to like come apart, versus this is a thermal laminate, which goes through the like laminator, gets hot, melts it, whatever. Anyway, I don't know, I have to figure it out. All that to say, I'm taking a break from the bookmarks, and now I'm going to do my Ranger project. Okay, let's do it. All right, these are the designs that I have up on the wall so far. So the hanging ones are just regular bookmarks that have been matte laminated. And then these ones are magnetic bookmarks. So when you open them, they have a magnet on the inside. So it clamps down to your page and holds it in place so it doesn't fall out, which I think is really cute. I love the patterns. They're adorable. Now these are patterned cardstock that I had on hand. I am going to design some of my own as well. But for now I decided at least to prototype with, and whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the patterned cardstock that I have. And I think they all look really cute. I just got a package from Ranger of stuff that I ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up so you can see what I got. I don't think it's anything that's like groundbreaking, but some refills, some new things, some replacements for things that I needed. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So I mentioned in one of my previous videos, or my most recent studio vlog, that I had started selling things in a local boutique at the mall. And things are going really great, but there has been a little bit of a snafu. Unfortunately, the air conditioning in the unit has gone out, and it has been out for almost a month now. So the store has been closed because it's too hot for them to work inside the mall in this particular unit where they're renting and where my boutique is. So I have not been able to like get in there and check on my inventory. I hope everything is like still okay. I'm a little worried about it not being temperature controlled, particularly humidity, because my stuff is like paper, not all of it, but some of it. So I'm a little concerned about that, but I'm hoping that everything is okay. And then obviously I have to figure out the whole situation with rent and all of that. So I pay a monthly rent to be able to have my items there, and I haven't been able to make any sales since they haven't been open. So I'm gonna try to contact the owner and see what my options are. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what to do. Another note, kind of whatever, but the tax stuff that I mentioned in my last studio vlog is mostly resolved. There are a few outstanding things that I have to figure out, but I only have to pay the penalties. I did confirm, and I've gotten most of the revised copies of the bills or the statements or whatever, so it should be okay. It's still like an amount that I didn't want to have to pay, but it's better than the alternative. So yeah, anyway, that's that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the studio vlog here. It's been a couple weeks since I posted already, and I don't want to fall out of the habit of posting my studio vlogs before I've even really gotten back into the habit. So I've kind of been sporadically in the studio these last couple weeks since I last posted, but I'm gonna try to compile everything into the video you will have just watched. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get editing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again really soon. Okay, love you, bye!